Hi everybody, we hope you're having a good week. We're almost done with this semester. This is the final week of the semester before finals next week. So today we are talking about registering for classes. Most of you, I'm assuming, are probably interested in what you're going to be taking next semester. So if you've talked to your advisor, if you're ready to register for classes next semester, and so fall semester and spring semester enrollment are open, as well as summer. So today we're going to teach you a little bit about how you can register in those classes that you're interested in taking. So registering for classes is something that CSU actually requires students to do themselves. Your classes can be accessed through your campus net by using your add and drop tab. Your fall 2020 and spring 21 registration is already open. You must register for your own classes, and if a course is unavailable, you can be added to the wait list. That doesn't necessarily mean that you will end up in the class, but if somebody were to drop the class or a seat were to open up, people are added into the class based on where they are in the wait list. Okay. One of the things you might encounter when going to register for classes could be an error or a hold in your account. This could mean that you haven't met a prerequisite, that you may need consent from someone in the department to enroll in the class, or that you may have fees prohibiting your registration process. So if you have a question, if you go to register for a class and you aren't able to get into it, reach out to your advisor. That's a good place to start. There could also be scheduling conflicts. There are plenty of reasons for why you might not be able to enroll. So definitely speak with your advisor about that. Late add. So courses can be added throughout the first week of the new semester. So let's say you are wanting to add a class for the summer. You're not enrolled yet. Summer semester starts on May 11th, and you could still enroll in a class through that first week. But to do that, you would need to get a late add form from the advising office, and it must be filled out. You have to put in your information, course information. It has to be signed by the professor, and then you have to get approval from the advising office. So with things being remote, this is definitely something, if you haven't registered for summer classes and you are interested in doing a late add during that first week, you definitely need to talk to your advisor about. And the same applies for any semester. If you're doing a late add, you should always speak with your advisor. Dropping and withdrawing. So you also will do this on CampusNet if you need to withdraw or drop from a class. After the first week, if you withdraw in that first week, you will get a refund. However, afterwards, your money will not be refunded at 100% of that tuition rate. Certain situations may qualify for medical withdrawal. There are special things like being called to active military duty. So different things like that, you can definitely talk to your advisor about if those situations apply to you. So now I'm going to show you how to physically go into your CampusNet and enroll in a course. So we're logged in. We're going to click our student tab. You can start by doing a class search. So let's say I want to enroll in fall 2020, and I'm a graduate student, so I'll look at courses. Let's say I want to take accounting. I'm going to go and see what's available for me to take accounting. Okay, I want to take accounting 501, and it is available for me to take on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm going to go now into my add and drop tab. I'm going to go to my enrollment eligibility, which is fall of 20, and I'm going to add a course to my schedule. Okay, I'm going to do a general search, and you can also search by the subject or catalog number or the class number if you have that information. I'm going to find just kind of what we did under class search, graduate level course, accounting, and search. Now I'm going to go find the course I want, accounting 501, and I'm going to add that to my schedule. Continue, and I'll hit enroll now. Now I'm enrolled in the course. So if I wanted to take something off my schedule, for example, oh no, I don't want to take accounting anymore, I can hit this drop button right here. I'll be confirmed to drop the class. And because I did that before the start of fall semester, it's not that first week, I won't have any penalties. Now I'm not taking that class in the fall. If you have any questions right now, oh, hi, ARP. Welcome to our live stream. We're very happy that you're here. If you guys have any questions right now, bring them in. We've got an advisor, Adam, right on here answering your questions. And if you're interested in contacting your advisor directly, we are doing remote, but all your advisors have direct lines that you can reach at this time. So let me pull that up for you. You can schedule your advising appointment on our website. And if you'd like to reach out to your advisors directly, oh no, where'd it go? You can email them at businessadvising@csuohio.edu, or you can go through our remote advising services and use our remote office number at 216-282-7762, as well as, contacting your advisor via email. And here is a list of that information. So their emails and their phone numbers for you to contact. You can find that on our website, business.csuohio.edu.